Tony Cisneros, owner and operator of Alpventures World War II Tours, and I'm standing here on top of the Kailstein Mountain at an elevation of 1,834 meters, or 6,017 feet. The building behind me is the Eagle's Nest. It was constructed in 1937 and 1938 for Adolf Hitler. I'm walking down the footpath to the upper parking lot. This is the same footpath that the 101st Airborne Division walked up to get to the Eagle's Nest on the 5th of May, 1945. Once they got up to the building, they realized that there was an elevator, the original elevator that brought Hitler up into the building. Of course, the tunnel to the elevator was covered in snow, so they had to dig that out in order to have access from the upper parking lot into the building. Alpventures World War II Tours offer special access to sites that generally aren't open to the public. And behind me is the 8-cylinder diesel U-boat motor, which was a submarine engine constructed in 1940 by the company MAN, Maschinenfabrik Augsburg-Nuremberg, and it was used as a backup power source for the Eagle's Nest during blackouts, and it still works today. Explore the Eagle's Nest and other fascinating World War II sites on our first-class guided tours to Europe. Visit our website at worldwar2tours.com for more details.